6 million years ago, the world was a dangerous, untamed place. There were no cities, no houses, no roads, and no written language. Early human ancestors lived in vast forests, open grasslands, and rocky valleys mainly in Africa. These beings were not fully human as we know today, but they were no longer simple animals. They were the first step in the long journey of humanity. Their bodies were different. They walked upright most of the time, which allowed them to see predators from far away. Their hands were free not for phones or tools, but for survival. Their brains were smaller yet clever, enough to remember paths, water sources, and safe places. Life was a daily fight to stay alive. Every sunrise meant searching for food. They ate fruits, roots, leaves, nuts, insects, and sometimes raw meat left behind by predators. Hunting was rare because they had no sharp weapons. Instead, they used stones, sticks, and teamwork to scare animals away from food. There was no fire. Cold nights were terrifying. Rainstorms could kill. Darkness brought fear because predators like big cats and snakes ruled the night. To survive, they slept in groups, often on trees or near cliffs. Their strongest weapon was cooperation. They lived in small groups. If one saw danger, everyone reacted. Sounds, gestures, and simple vocal calls were their language. They shared food because survival depended on unity. Science did not exist, but nature was their teacher. They learned by watching. They knew which plants healed and which killed. They followed animal movements to find water. They understood seasons through pain and loss. Injuries were deadly. A broken leg meant death. There were no medicines, only rest leaves and hope. Those who survived became stronger and wiser. Over time, curiosity shaped them. They experimented with stones. Some stones cut better than others. This was the beginning of tools. A simple stone could break bones open for marrow. That marrow helped brains grow. Fear shaped their intelligence. Every mistake could mean extinction. Every success was remembered. Slowly, generation by generation, their brains evolved. They did not know the future. They did not know they were changing the world. But every step, every decision, every survival choice pushed humanity forward. 6 million years ago, survival was not a choice. It was the only purpose. From that raw, brutal life, modern humans were born. This is where our story truly began.